So pork stir fry, sweet and healthy. It's going to be a one-pot experience. Let's cook. So this is 8 ounces of pork already cut up into strips. Probably pork loin, that's the way it came. It was on sale. I'm going to cut these strips into bite-sized pieces. And coat with 2 tablespoons of flour to make a bit of a batter. That will keep the meat moist. And let that sit for a few minutes. A cup of fast-cooking chow mein noodles and 2 cups of water. And cook that for about 2 minutes till the noodles are soft. I'm calling it one pot, but I will take the noodles out and then add them back at the end. 3 cloves of fresh garlic, that I'm going to cut into halves so it fits into my garlic press. I hate mincing. Okay, the noodles are out of the pan. Add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Add 2 tablespoons sesame oil for additional taste. And add the garlic to saute a minute. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now, add the floured meat. And stir to brown on all sides. Give it a minute. It'll get more done as you go. Okay, half an onion, cut into slivers. And add the onion to the pan. Stir that up. Wash and cut the mushrooms into small pieces. And add them to the pan. A quarter of a pepper. I prefer red, but green will do. Cut that into long pieces. And into the pan. I like snow peas. These are a bit thick, but that's all that they had. Cut off the ends. And into the pan. And finally, a stalk of celery cut into thin slices. And also into the pan. So the pork is getting pretty well done by now. A third cup of soy sauce, which will add just enough of a salty taste. A third cup of hoisin sauce, which will add a sweet taste. Give it another minute. Add back the noodles. Stir well to distribute the flavors. Another minute. And serve. And enjoy. Chopsticks, optional. Tastes great. More, please. Ingredients: 8 ounces pork loin, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 cup chow mein noodles, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 3 cloves of garlic, half an onion, 1/4 of a bell pepper, 6 mushrooms, 1 stalk of celery, 1/3 cup of hoisin sauce, and 1/3 cup of soy sauce.